Look up at the night sky. On a clear night, you might be lucky enough to see a bright, moving point of light. That's the International Space Station, or ISS, a testament to human ingenuity and global cooperation. Orbiting Earth at an astounding speed of 17,500 miles per hour, the ISS is a symbol of what we can achieve when we work together. It is a beacon of science, a symbol of unity, and a testament to our boundless curiosity. The ISS is more than just a technological marvel, it's a story about us. It's about pushing the boundaries of what's possible and working together to achieve something truly extraordinary. It's about the spirit of exploration and the desire to understand our place in the cosmos. The story of the ISS began long before its first module was launched in 1998. It was born out of the Cold War, a time of intense rivalry between the United States and the Soviet Union. As the space race heated up, both superpowers dreamt of building a space station, a permanent outpost in orbit. The US launched Skylab in 1972, followed by the Soviet Union's Salyut program. These early stations were crucial stepping stones, proving that humans could live and work in space for extended periods. However, the vision for the ISS was even grander. A truly international space station, a symbol of cooperation rather than competition. In 1984, President Reagan proposed the ISS, inviting other nations to join the endeavor. 16 countries signed the agreement, marking a turning point in space exploration. The Cold War ended and the ISS emerged as a symbol of unity, a common goal for humanity. The ISS is a marvel of engineering, a complex structure of interconnected modules, solar arrays, and robotic arms. Imagine a football field flying through space. That's roughly the size of the ISS. It weighs over 900,000 pounds, making it the largest artificial object in Earth's orbit. The ISS is divided into different sections, each with a specific purpose. The living quarters provide astronauts with a place to sleep, eat, and relax. The station's laboratories are equipped for cutting-edge research in various fields, from biology to materials science. The robotic arms, marvels of dexterity, are used for maintenance, experiments, and capturing visiting spacecraft. The station is powered by massive solar arrays that convert sunlight into electricity. This sustainable energy source allows the ISS to operate continuously, serving as a platform for ongoing research and exploration. The ISS is a shining example of international collaboration, a testament to what humanity can achieve when we work together. 5 space agencies, NASA, United States, Roscosmos, Russia, JAXA, Japan, ESA, Europe, and CSA, Canada, are the primary partners, with contributions from many other nations. Astronauts from over 19 countries have lived and worked aboard the ISS, representing diverse backgrounds, cultures, and languages. This cultural exchange in space fosters understanding and camaraderie, reminding us that despite our differences on Earth, we are united by our shared humanity. The ISS is a powerful symbol of diplomacy. It demonstrates that even in the face of geopolitical tensions, nations can come together to pursue common goals, advancing science and technology for the benefit of all humankind. Section 5. Science takes flight: research and discoveries aboard the ISS. The ISS is not just an engineering marvel, it's a unique scientific laboratory. The microgravity environment offers scientists an opportunity to conduct experiments that are impossible on Earth. This has led to groundbreaking discoveries in fields like medicine, materials science, and physics. One area where the ISS has made significant contributions is in understanding the effects of spaceflight on the human body. Astronauts experience bone loss, muscle atrophy, and changes in cardiovascular function in the absence of gravity. Research on the ISS is helping us understand these physiological changes and develop countermeasures to mitigate the risks of long-duration space travel. The ISS has also been instrumental in materials science, allowing scientists to study how materials behave in microgravity. This research has led to the development of new alloys, crystals, and other materials with enhanced properties which have applications in various industries on Earth. Section 6. Pushing the boundaries: current research and future potential. The scientific endeavors aboard the ISS are constantly evolving. Current research projects focus on diverse areas, from developing new medications to studying the long-term effects of space radiation on living organisms. One promising area is the study of protein crystallization in microgravity, which could lead to breakthroughs in drug design and development. Astrobiology is another exciting field of research on the ISS. Scientists are studying extremophiles, organisms that thrive in extreme environments on Earth, to understand how life might exist on other planets or moons. The ISS provides a unique platform for exposing these organisms to the harsh conditions of space, simulating environments that might exist elsewhere in the solar system. The ISS serves as a testing ground for technologies that will enable future space exploration. Life support systems, radiation shielding, and advanced propulsion systems are being developed and tested on the ISS, paving the way for human missions to the Moon, Mars, and beyond. Section 7. Space for Commerce. The emerging commercialization of the ISS. While the ISS has always been a hub for scientific research, recent years have seen a rise in commercial opportunities. Private companies are now utilizing the ISS for a variety of purposes, from manufacturing specialized materials in microgravity to conducting Earth observation for commercial applications. Space tourism is another emerging industry that is benefiting from the ISS. Private astronauts are now able to visit the ISS, experiencing the wonders of spaceflight and contributing to the station's operational costs. This commercialization of space is opening up new possibilities for innovation and economic growth, making space more accessible than ever before. The future of the ISS may involve further commercial partnerships, with private companies potentially taking on a more significant role in the station's operations and research activities. This shift toward commercialization could help ensure the ISS's continued operation even as government funding potentially declines. Section 8. A day in the life of an astronaut. Living and working in orbit. Imagine waking up to a sunrise every 90 minutes, floating through a weightless environment and gazing down at our planet from a distance. This is the extraordinary reality of life aboard the ISS for astronauts. Their days are filled with a mix of science, maintenance, exercise, and communication with ground control. Astronauts follow a carefully planned schedule, conducting experiments, monitoring systems, and performing regular maintenance tasks to keep the station operational. They exercise for at least 2 hours each day to combat the effects of microgravity on their bodies. They also have time for personal activities, such as reading, writing, or simply enjoying the breathtaking views of Earth. Living in such close quarters for extended periods can present psychological challenges. Astronauts are trained to cope with the isolation and confinement of space, and they maintain regular contact with family and friends on Earth. The cultural diversity of the crew fosters a sense of camaraderie and teamwork, essential for maintaining morale and mission success. Section 9. Our fragile home. The ISS's role in Earth observation. From its unique vantage point, the ISS provides invaluable data about our planet. Sensors and cameras aboard the station constantly monitor Earth, tracking weather patterns, climate change, and natural disasters. This data is essential for scientists studying the health of our planet and developing strategies to address environmental challenges. The ISS has been instrumental in tracking deforestation, monitoring the health of coral reefs, and studying the melting of glaciers. This real-time data allows scientists to observe the effects of human activity on the environment and develop strategies to mitigate negative impacts. The ISS serves as a stark reminder of the beauty and fragility of our planet. The images of Earth from space, often described as the overview effect, have had a profound impact on astronauts, instilling a sense of awe and a deep appreciation for the interconnectedness of all life on Earth. Section 10. A legacy of inspiration, the ISS, and the future of space exploration. The ISS is more than just a space station. It's a symbol of human ambition, ingenuity, and our collective potential to achieve extraordinary things. It has inspired generations of students to pursue careers in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, ensuring that the spirit of exploration continues to thrive. The ISS has pushed the boundaries of human spaceflight, demonstrating that long-duration missions are possible and paving the way for future exploration of our solar system and beyond. The lessons learned from the ISS, from international collaboration to technological innovation, will be invaluable as we venture further into the cosmos. As we look to the future, the ISS stands as a beacon of hope and inspiration, reminding us that when we work together, there are no limits to what we can achieve. The spirit of exploration that built the ISS will continue to drive us forward, pushing the boundaries of human knowledge and expanding our understanding of the universe we inhabit.